guys, welcome back to the bench. I know that the last two videos we have posted have ended on teasers, and I am not sorry, because it has all been leading up to this. Do you remember that super secret project that we couldn't tell you anything about? The one that needed that awesome rolling mill with the electric motor? Well, this is that video. John's sister is getting married this weekend, and as we have mentioned in previous videos, John's dad is actually a world-class stonecutter. He cut this amazing topaz, the same ones that you saw set in the gold baskets in the last video. Our super secret project is to make a necklace with that topaz for the ultimate wedding gift. A beautiful piece of her father and brother that she can carry with her forever. Don't those look amazing, guys? Each one of those topaz is perfectly cut and perfectly fits its basket. Getting to this point with all 13 stones set was an absolute bear. Each basket took roughly an hour to put together and pre-finish before any of the operations that you saw John do in this video. We've got a little over 20 some hours in on the project so far, so we're going to end the video right here. But there's more to come. We'll be manufacturing some connecting links and setting diamonds in them, as well as adding the chain. We'll even be hand making a solid oak presentation box to hold the necklace, so stay tuned for those videos. If you guys would like to know more about any of the tools that you saw us use in this video, or any of the setting stuff that you saw John do, let us know down in the comments, and we'll make new videos to answer those questions. We always hope you'll hit that like button, and you should definitely hit that subscribe button. When you do hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit the little bell as well, so you'll get a notification when we add the diamonds and another when we build the box. Until the next time that we see you guys, it is always a pleasure having you here with us at the bench.